Hey kitchen adventurers, it's Jess and Cliff here, and today we're plunging into the world of electric cooktops. From radiant heating to control knobs, we've got the lowdown on how to make the most of your electric cooktop. Ready to sizzle, Cliff? Electric cooktops are all about simplicity and style. With radiant heating elements beneath the smooth glass surface, this makes cleanup easy and a great companion in your kitchen to help you prepare your weeknight favorites. Turning it on is a breeze. Push the knob down, turn, and watch the hot surface indicator light glow. It'll stay on until the surface cools down to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety first. Now, let's talk heat levels. Low heat, perfect for those fluffy scrambled eggs. Medium, ideal for sauteing or your daily cooking adventures. High heat, that's boiling territory. And don't forget about our warm and melt options. Melt is a lifesaver for delicate items like butter or chocolate. Depending on your model, you might even find dual or tri-ring surface elements. Talk about flexibility. Cookware is key here, friends. Flat bottom pans are a must. And while heavyweight stainless steel or aluminum pans can leave residue, a quick clean will keep your cooktop looking brand new. Just remember, no cast iron unless it's designed specifically for glass cooktops. And a pro tip from us, don't slide cookware across the cooktop. It's scratch resistant, but not scratch proof. Always place the pan in the center of the surface. Some models even feature a cooktop lockout, perfect for cleaning or keeping curious paws at bay. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be mastering your electric cooktop in no time. Happy cooking, and remember, Cliff and I are always here to help you navigate the world of appliances.